Seven students, how are you? And today I'm going to start be humble. Okay, humbleness is a good habit. Okay, this is class 7, chapter 6, moral science, page number 22 and 23. I'm going to discuss on today. Be humble. Which type of humble word is, why humble word is given? Why humble title is given of this chapter? Today I'm going to discuss it. Please see the story. Okay, she is the woman. Why humble word is given, try to understand the concept of this. I think you can see it very well without any problem. Okay, so one of the most important qualities of one's character is humility. Humility is the most important quality. Being humble endures one of the everyone. A humble person may be intelligent and powerful, but he never feels proud of his ability and power. God bless such people. When if you are humble and you are doing good well, you are doing well, then it is your duty to not keep proudness. Okay, though humble people are not proudy. Okay, God bless such people. Okay, so humble people are great in eyes of God. Whose eyes of God? uh, whose eyes? God eyes. He bless them and gives them peace and happiness. Okay, if you are humble, then God will see you. Okay, and He will protect you. He will save you. All the sons practiced humility because they had realized that without humility, one will never be allowed into God's kingdom. God punishes the proud and raises the humble. Okay, these type of people were punished by the God. Okay, if there is no humbleness. Okay, here is an interesting story from the Holy Bible, from which this story is taken by from the Holy Bible. Try to understand the concept of this story, then you can understand it very well. Okay. In the beginning of God creates spirits. You know what is the meaning of spirits? Okay. In every living things they have spirits. Okay, who had no body. Okay, in beginning of God creates spirit who had no body. Okay, this is the very ancient story. Okay, this is ancient story. They were called angels. What called angels? The angels were bestowed with great intelligence, knowledge, and many powers which we human beings don't have. Okay, we don't have humbleness, but angels have a humbleness. Angel of light was such an angel. Okay, he became proud and he became proud. I think you are unable to see it. Okay, I think you can see it very well without any problem. Okay, I think you can see it very well. Okay, so he became proud and felt that he could become greater than God. Okay, uh, who had created him to be a greater than the other angels, got angry and punished this spirit, proud spirit. He threw him out of his heavenly home. Angel of light become God's enemy. Now she is called angel of darkness, of Satan, of devils. Do you know who is? So whenever you will proud, then God is here. Okay, God will punish these types of man or woman. Okay, so he was proudy. That's why God has given punishment to him. Okay, and now its life changed. Its life turns to devils. Okay, the Satan tries to tempt us to commit the same sin of pride. Okay, those who fall prey to this temptation lose God's favor and blessing. Okay, pride is at the root of all the evils of world. Injustice, hatred, anger, and desire for revenge are fruits of pride. This cause pain and misery to others. An humble person always make his fellow being happy. Such a person is quick to admit his faults. He is tolerant and good natured. He possesses a pleasing personality and gains good friends. An humble person is always God fearing. He never hates anybody, to treat everyone with great love and respect. God is always kind to be humble. We know very well, if you are humble, then God will see you, God will protect you. If you are pride, then God will not help you. Okay, pride is the roof of all the evils of the world. Which world? Evils of the world. Okay, anger, desires, even these are the fruits of pride. Okay, so never you should not pride. Okay, you should be humble people. An humble person always makes his fellow being happy, and they make the good environment each and everywhere. Such person is quick to admit his faults. Whenever he falls, whenever he commits some mistake, then he tells sorry to anyone. Okay, it is tolerant and good nature. It is the habit of humbleness. It is a good personality, and he always makes some friends. Okay, and create some good environment. Okay, he doesn't hate anyone. Okay, so this is the personality of humbleness. Now I'm going to discuss next page. Try to understand the concept of this page. Okay, I think you can see it. I think you can see it. So once a rich man lived in style and luxury. He was very famous for hosting feasts and parties to which all the great and rich of the town were invited. He had a large number of servants to wait upon them. They held him in a way. The rich man enjoyed the honor and respect given to him by people. Okay, he also gives respect. That's why he was respected people. Okay, and he was famous hostings. Okay, and great man. However, he is the person. Okay, now try to understand the next part of this story. However, he did not like the poor and treated them unkindly. He thought he had become all powerful and forgot God. Okay, now he is proudy and he forgot the God. One day, a poor man came to his doorstep to beg while a feast was in progress. Instead of giving him something, he ordered his servants to drive him away. Okay, he should help him, but he did not help him. Okay, what did he do? He ordered his servant to drive him away. Okay, it was he has done very uh, big mistake. Okay, in the eyes of whose eyes? In the eyes of God. Okay, the poor man begged for some left over crumbs, but the rich man usually turned and him away. Sadly, the poor man left his place. By chance, both the rich man and the poor man died. By chance, both the rich man and the poor man died that very night. They had to face God to give an account of their life on earth. Why the rich man did big mistake? They have died. It is the result. In the eyes of God, they died. Okay, God, who is all knowing, punished the rich man for his pride. I think you are unable to see it. Okay, I think you can see. The God rich man for his pride and sent him hell. Do you know hell means what? He has punished, and he had not sent in heaven. He has sent to hell because he has done a big mistake in his life. Okay, the poor man was sent to heaven. Poor man was rich man was sent to hell, and he was sent to heaven. Heaven is a good place, and hell is a very bad place. Now the rich man realized that he had forgotten God. Okay, whenever you will be rich and then don't forget to God. Okay, you should. It is your duty to think about God. Okay, don't always. The poor man was sent to heaven. Now the rich man realized that he had forgotten God. He had given up his goody qualities of being humble. He was so proud that he thought everybody was beneath him, perhaps even God. he lost everything, even his soul. He displeased God and his fellow man. It means what? Now he was rich person. On that time when he was rich person, then he did not think about God. He did not think about uh, good things. He did only bad things in his life. In the eyes of God, he was punished. He was punished by whom? Do you know who he was punished by whom? God. God punished him. This type of people. Okay, and God is always on the side of the humble, not in the side of proudness. God is always side of the humble. He always guides the humble. If you take carefully, if you will find that a tree well laden with fruit bend downwards, and it is branches to don't away swiftly. A deep river flows so silently, carrying beneath its calm surface immense store of water. They say still water run deep. Similarly, if person has anything in them plenty, he should not saw it off to make others feel small. On the other contrary, he should be humble enough to help others if he can with the power of position he holds. Remember, it means that if you are big and if you are a rich person, then don't forget to poor person. It is your duty to see the poor person. Okay, in whose eyes? In the eyes of God. You should always help the poor and needy people. Okay, if you are humble, then God will protect you. God will see you. If you are proudy, then nobody will see you. Okay, your ends will definitely come. So it is your duty to be humble and make your character good. So what is the blessed are the pure and humble of heart. Blessed are the pure and humble of heart. It means what? This is the part of the is the moral of the story. You should remember it. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it.